Welcome to Destination Central in Rotorua. I'm Amy Forrest, and this week we are checking out what the geothermal town has on offer. So this week we have a lineup of Autohaus Rotorua, Mr. Rental, Outdoorsman Headquarters, Specsavers and the Co-operative Bank. So let's get the show on the road. The family-run business Autohaus in Rotorua have had a busy few weeks with a new addition to the company. Michael Meyer is inside to tell us about the recent launch. Hi Michael, now tell me about Autohaus Rotorua.
Well, essentially Autohaus Rotorua is a family business that was established by Carl and Tony in 1995 when they came over to New Zealand. Over the years, both my brother Herman and I came and followed them and started working in the company as well. And as well, both our wives, Diana and Miriam, are working here as well. So it is a true family affair here.
Now, you've had a bit of a busy time lately with the recent launch of the Ford brand to your business. Tell us a bit about that.
Well, essentially we have been very, very busy. It is not easy cramming in two big brands as we've got with Mazda and Ford into our existing dealership, but we're managing quite well. It means that we are having very busy times ahead, but we will manage.
And what other makes and models do you specialise in here?
Well, like I mentioned, we still have got a very successful Mazda franchise that is going from strength to strength. We still are the factory-approved BMW service agent, and of course now we have, in addition, Ford. And
can you tell us about the extra services that you offer?
Well, it should really be what don't we offer here. We do offer pretty much everything as much as possible. We try and do as much as possible in-house, whether that is in the service department with windscreens, tyres, warranty fitnesses, electrical work, accessory fit-outs, and of course standard servicing, or whether that is in the parts department where we offer our service parts, where we offer our merchandise and accessories, or whether you go into the sales department where we still offer, of course, apart from just selling cars, our finance and custom vehicle orders. There's basically nothing that we can't offer here.
So you get the whole service from start to finish. Now, what have you got lined up to show us today?
Well, today I would like to show you the currently #1 selling ute in New Zealand, which is not the opposition brand, but of course the new Ford Ranger. And with the Ford Ranger, we have got basically a vehicle that is as safe as a normal passenger vehicle, so it has got a 5-star safety rating, and that is achieved by way of having front airbags, side airbags, curtain roof airbags, traction control, all that is standard. We do, of course, also have Bluetooth connectivity for telephone and music. Cruise control is one thing that is standard as well in the vehicle. All acronyms that essentially you would find normally in passenger cars, they have made the transition into the utility vehicles as well, meaning that you now have got a vehicle that you can use for both purposes. That is not only the 9 to 5 work vehicle, but it is becoming also the after hours family vehicle. So it becomes a vehicle that can be used for both.
And what about your after-sales service?
With after sales, that is probably the most important department in a franchise dealer business, where you will be able to offer your customers the satisfaction and guarantee that you're pretty much, let's face it, the most expensive investment apart from a house will be looked after properly. So we pride ourselves in having a very good after-sales relationship with our customers, where we do the best to look after our customers.
It's a really important service to offer, so why else should people shop locally here at Autohaus?
Well, essentially there is no financial gain in going out of town because we do get the same prices and discounts as all the other dealers from other towns. Being able to deal with local people means that we're just down the road literally. If you do need to go and talk to us for whatever reason, we are always approachable. People do know where we are. We have been here for basically almost 2 decades and we'll be here for a long, long time after that. Whereas with other dealers out of town, you not always can guarantee that. And you're also obviously not just a number to them. Whereas with us, we are able to look after our customers properly.
And how can viewers get in contact with you?
Well, after a long, long time, we're now at the new Lake Road roundabout, which has taken a little while to go and be completed, but now we have got the brand new 4-lane Lake Road and we are just by the big new Lake Road roundabout. And if people want to get a hold of us via phone, we of course still have got that, which is 348 7444. And we are on the internet, of course, as well. And just Google Autohaus Rotorua, or if you're going to Mazda Rotorua, or if you're going to Ford Rotorua or BMW Rotorua.
Great, thank you very much, Michael.
Thank you.
Be sure to call into Autohaus Rotorua and you may even end up leaving with a new shiny set of wheels. Are you hoping to furnish your home but worried about the cost? Or do you have an item on its last legs? Then Mr. Rental is for you. Let's check out their latest range. Hi Craig, now tell us about Mr. Rental.
Mr. Rental is a franchise outfit which majority are independently owned and operated with 19 to 20 stores throughout New Zealand. We in Rotorua have been here for about 3 years now. So we're a fairly new store covering Rotorua, Whakatane and Taupo.
So who is this service for?
The service is for everyone. What we're trying to do is make rental more attractive than ownership to everyone and make it accessible to everyone. Whether you're a student, a young professional, a professional person coming into the area for a short period of time, for a short-term rental, or for people who can't afford to buy these goods outright. And it says we can provide that service and make their life simple. And that's our main thing, is keeping life simple.
And what items are available for rent?
We have a wide range of items that covers the whole home, from bedroom furniture, lounge furniture, whiteware, including your fridge freezers or chest freezers, washing machines, tumble dryers, and a full range of technology goods, from laptops, PCs, tablets, and we're now doing smartphones. With the ever increasingly changing pace of technology, the technology side of things is a growing market because people want more technology, and this is an easy way to make it accessible and upgrade at any time. To keep up to date with these changes is very expensive, but with Mr. Rental, it's an easy way to keep up to date anytime, every year.
What would you say are the benefits of renting items for your home?
The main benefits for Mr. Rental is we've got flexible options. You can rent for as little or as long as you like. We've got flexible payment terms, whether it's weekly, fortnightly or monthly. And we've got a range of products that suits everybody's pocket. We also have free delivery, there's no admin fees, and we try and get approval the same day, and we try to make sure we can do a delivery within 24 hours.
And tell us about the services of instalment that you offer.
Well, once accepted into the Mr. Rental family, we deliver, as we said, free delivery, and we install the appliances, and we give each of our customers a brief introduction on how to use the appliance, so they get the best out of the units, especially with technology. Some people need a little bit more time to understand how to use it and how to use it properly. So we take that time to make sure they are comfortable with the units so they get the best use.
And I hear you've recently changed location, so tell us about the new move.
Yeah, about 3 months ago we moved to our new location here in Autohaus Street, which is more of a retail setup than previously. It goes against the usual Mr. Rental traditional model, which is more of a telephone model, people just phoning in. But we've dispensed with the high service desk and went for a more user-friendly, customer-friendly approach to try and provide our customers with a much better service. So they come in here and they can see all the products as much as we can out in the showroom, and they can touch them, they can feel them, and they can see the quality to make sure that they get the best possible customer experience with the Mr. Rental.
Great, so how can viewers get in contact with you?
They can get in contact with us in a number of ways. Mainly through the free phone number, which is 0800 111 313. But you can also access our facilities through the internet at mrrental.co.nz, or by all means come to the shop itself and meet our staff. It's a new team, a really friendly team, and you'll get the best possible service from them.
Thank you very much, Craig.
Thank you.
So if you're looking for that perfect item for your home, call Mr. Rental, keeping life simple. From fishing and hunting to hiking, biking and camping, Outdoorsman Headquarters in Rotorua has it all. And with Father's Day coming up, this looks like the perfect shop for Dad. Hi Cliff, now tell me, what are the team's specialties here at Outdoorsman Headquarters?
Being able to give customers informed knowledge of our products and then putting together packages that suit them for their requirements.
And what leading brands do you stock?
We've got in our clothing, we've got Stony Creek, Ridgeline, Evolve. That's the largest range of Stony Creek clothing in Rotorua. If we got cater to children's packs, so we have again a small range of Stony Creek for them, Ridgeline, Zeagles, which is a Tauranga brand of outdoor clothing for children. We go to knives and we have Buck, Gerber, Uella, Sword, which is a New Zealand made knife. Over from knives we go to our scopes and our rifles, and we have the leading, we have Carl's, we have Bushnell, Leupold scopes, and for our rifles we've got Ruger, Remington, Sarco, some Sarco, Tikka, Marlin, Mossberg. So a good range of product. With our footwear we have both tramping and hunting boots, and we've got the brands Lower, Mindle and Stony Creek, and then we complement that with socks from Bridgedale, Icebreaker, Norsewear, and so we've got a full package.
Yeah, you've got a huge range here. So Father's Day is also creeping up pretty fast, and what gift ideas do you have for all those outdoor days?
You could always perhaps buying a quality New Zealand made knife and getting it engraved for father, or you could go to the complete package, outdoor clothing and or a rifle and scope package.
Those are some great ideas. Now talk us through the guns and ammo deals that you have on offer.
We will cater to each customer's requirements and match a deal with each customer. But a couple of specials that we have here is we do have here a Weatherby rifle, and we can match that with a Carl scope, and we are looking at a $3,000 package and on sale for $2,000. So that's one of them. We also have a Remington semi-automatic rifle, which is virtually brand new. We can match that with a Bushnell Elite scope, and that's a $2,800 value, and we can do that for $2,100. So we can do some good deals.
Now, one of the things that's unique about your store is that you offer a firearms license service. So tell me a bit about this.
Two of us here are licensed firearms instructors with the New Zealand Mountain Safety Council. We can provide the ability for people to come in here who are not able to get to the regular lectures and sit their licensing tests.
It really is great to have that service available. So why should people shop here at Outdoorsman Headquarters?
We offer a personal, caring and informed selection of product and knowledge, and that caters to each person's requirements.
And where exactly are you located?
We're located at 6 Tarawera Road in Rotorua, which is on the way out to the main lakes. We are available by telephone, by fax and through our website.
Wow, this store is absolutely ginormous. So come and take a look at the massive range here at Outdoorsman Headquarters. I'd be very surprised if you don't find what you're looking for. If you're thinking of changing banks or hoping to start a new account, the Co-operative Bank in Rotorua offer a wide range of services to help with your financial situation. Peter Garland is inside to tell us about their point of difference. Hi Peter, now tell me, how does the Co-operative Bank differ to other banks in New Zealand?
Well Amy, the Co-operative Bank differs because we are owned by our members. So we don't have any external shareholders, we're not reliant on any overseas funding. So basically the customers own our business, which makes us unique really in New Zealand banking. So we're also different because this year is the first year that we've repaid some of our profits back to our members. Okay? So that means that the more business that our members do with us, the bigger the rebates are that we can repay to them. So that's what makes us different to the other banks.
So tell us about the exciting rebranding here at the Co-operative Bank.
So 18 months ago, the Co-operative Bank applied for its full banking licence. So it was successful in achieving its full banking licence. The one thing about the Co-operative Bank is it's been New Zealand's best kept secret. So now we want to go out to the market and just tell our story. So we rebranded, and on the 7th of July we started a national advertising campaign to launch our new brand. So our new brand, in the word cooperative, we've used the infinity symbol, and we've branded that internally our prosperity loop. And the prosperity loop signifies that we are all about the long-term prosperity of our members. So the infinity loop, or our prosperity loop, means that the more that we can generate for our members, the more we can then return to them by way of rebates. So that's really exciting for us in order to sort of just lift the whole brand profile of the cooperative bank.
Okay, so how much of the profits have been given straight back to your customers here in Rotorua?
So nationally we gave $1 million of our profits back this year, and of that $34,000, or just over $34,000, went back to Rotorua customers. So over 3/4 of our customers in Rotorua got a rebate of between $5 and $100.
Wow, that would have been exciting for the customers. So tell me about the services that you offer for everyday personal banking.
So our core business is personal banking, and we have all the products that any other bank has. So we have mortgages, we have personal loans, savings accounts, current accounts. We're just about to launch our electronic account on the 26th of August, which is going to offer customers who've previously maybe paid high fees the opportunity just to pay one flat fee each month and get full banking benefits for it. We're also offering a credit card that's going to be due out in February of next year. Other than that, we offer every single product that any other bank will offer.
And how can you help small businesses get ahead?
Okay, so as I say, our core business is personal banking, but for those customers who do have small businesses, we're really keen to help them as well. So we do have a suite of small banking products that we can help our existing customers with. So our main focus is the personal banking, but we can absolutely help our existing customers with small business as well.
Okay, so there's something for everyone. Now tell us about your focus when it comes to customer service.
Well, we really pride ourselves on customer service, and when you look at the customer service ratings of all the major banks, the cooperative bank is absolutely way out there compared to everybody else. And it's not just customer service, because we look at customer service about not just how well we treat people when they come into the branch, but also making sure that we understand our customers, we know what's important in their lives, and that we are helping them achieve their goals and dreams through matching them with our banking products. And also, our customer base is so loyal and are so happy with us that we have huge advocacy. And a lot of our customers are quite prepared to recommend their family, their friends or work colleagues to come and bank here at the cooperative.
And what process is involved when switching banks?
Switching's really easy. All you need to do is to pop in and see us. We open up you as a new customer. We then do all the rest for you. The only one thing you have to do is change your direct credit from your employer to the cooperative bank, and we do all the rest. So we'll change all your direct debits, your automatic payments. We'll make the switch really, really easy for you.
So where exactly are you located in Rotorua?
So we are on the corner of Arawera and Amahia Streets in Rotorua.
And how can viewers get in contact with you?
And you can contact us on the branch, which is our telephone number is 07349 7230, or you can get all the details off our website, which is just www.cooperativebank.co.nz.
Great, thank you, Peter. Well, this sounds like a bank with a real point of difference. So to discuss whether this is the bank for you, get in touch with the team at Co-operative Bank in Rotorua. Specsavers in Rotorua offer a wide range of services and provide professional recommendations for all your vision needs. Let's have a chat with Celeste and find out more. Hi Celeste, now tell me about Specsavers in Rotorua.
It came about 5 years ago. Mark Scott and I have been offering optometry in Rotorua for over 20 years, and 5 years ago when Specsavers looked at launching into the Australasian market, we had a good look at what they wanted to bring to the market and decided that we wanted our business to be part of that franchise, and it's been a great step forward for us in the business, and obviously great value for our clients and customers.
So tell me about the services that you offer here?
As optometrists, we offer comprehensive professional eye examinations, so we're interested in confirming with the client that their eye health is all good, and if not, then finding out what the cause is there, checking for glaucoma, for diabetes. We also do visual field testing as well, and then contact lens fitting, prescription sunglasses, prescription eyewear, obviously, that's our mainstay, and helping people solve those interesting visual challenges. Prescription sites for shooting and fishing in the lovely region of Rotorua with our fishers and our shooters, hunters. So yes, we provide quite a wide variety. Any questions that people have about their eyes, we can help them with.
And can you tell me more about the digital retinal photography service that you offer here?
Digital retinal photography is a great advancement with technology. As part of an eye examination, the optometrist is always looking inside your eye. That's what we have to do to check for glaucoma, for cataracts, diabetes. And these days with digital retinal photography, we can show you what we're looking at. It's fascinating. It's great to see clients understand with their diabetes that it's affected their blood vessels and that they can do something about that to make their vision better and themselves healthier. With people, if they're just at risk of developing glaucoma, we can show them what a healthy eye looks like and then what their own photographs of their own eye looks like. So it's a great monitoring tool that we can use so that their eye might be healthy this visit, and then when they see us again in 2 years' time, we can compare those photos to see if there have been any changes over that time. So it's really exciting, and it sort of helps people understand that the eye isn't just the part that you see at the front, not just the coloured part, but there's all the working parts behind it.
And what do you have in the range of eyewear?
Specsavers prides itself on the fact that it brings value eyewear to the market. So glasses can cost as little as $69 for a pair of frames and prescription lenses. But similarly, they like to provide fashion and value as well. So we go through the different price brackets will have different features and benefits. Spring hinges on the sides for reading glasses that are on and off a lot. Designer ranges, Country Road, FC UK. Boss has just come on board with Specsavers internationally, so we have the Boss Orange range. Alex Perry, well-known designer from Australia, so it's keeping not just European designers but local designers as well. Colette Dinnigan, and Quicksilver for the younger age group, or those that like to feel like they're still young. So quite a wide variety of range and styles.
So why should customers shop here at Specsavers in Rotorua?
Specsavers Rotorua, we're locally owned. All our staff live and work here, obviously. So we provide great value and offers. We have our standard Specsavers offer of 2-for-1 pricing. That comes in from the $169 range, but we'll always have other offers as well. Specsavers recently went in partnership with the AA, Automobile Association, and so AA members can get one free eye examination every 2 years, and then, as I say, at different times of the year we'll have other promotions going as well. So they're always going to get great value, great service, and so we appreciate feedback on our service and hopefully an enjoyable experience, because not everybody wants to wear glasses, but we like to help them find out that it actually can be interesting and fun as well.
And how can viewers get in contact with you?
Okay, so we're in Erawera Street in the CBD of Rotorua. We like to say that we're directly opposite Toy World, because that's a big yellow building and easy to find. People can contact us via the phone, via fax, of course, the Specsavers website, /Rotorua, so www.specsavers.co.nz and /Rotorua. And you can make inquiries online, you can make request appointments online, and we're open 7 days a week, which also helps clients, because being in Rotorua, we have a lot of rural towns feeding in, or people that work in the forestry and things, so they can come in on Sundays for eye exams as well.
Great, thank you very much, Celeste.
Thank you.
Well, it's clear to see Specsavers in Rotorua is the place for all your vision needs. Maki, Maki and Party Hire have sponsored this awesome giveaway for the month of August. Enter now and choose between either a 1-year subscription to New Zealand Weddings magazine or a 6-month subscription to New Zealand Fishing News magazine. All you have to do is answer which subscription you would like and enter either through our website or phoning our competition line. Thanks to Maki, Maki and Party Hire in Te Awamutu. Entries close 2nd of September. Well, that brings us to the end of our show. We hope you've enjoyed our trip to Rotorua just as much as we have. Make sure you tune in again next week on Destination Central. See you then.
This has been an Alpha Media production, a division of Television Media Group.